Okay, so we have a cosecant here. You guys know that cosecant is the inverse, it's a reciprocal of sine. So let's do that first. Let's flip it upside down. Sine. Okay, and these two are actually angles. So let me let that be A and let me let that be B and draw a picture for it. This is saying tangent of A, right? So tangent inverse x is equal to A means x is equal to tangent of A. So here's my A. Tangent of A is x over 1. So this is going to be 1 plus x squared square root. If you let that be B, we're saying so sine inverse x is equal to B means x is equal to sine of B. That means this angle is B and we have x over 1. So this is going to be 1 minus x squared. Square root of, right? Using Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so first of all, it's use a sine law to expand. It's going to be sine A cosine of B minus cosine of A sine of B, right? This is a sine sum formula. So sine of A. So sine of A. Here's A. Sine of A is x. Okay, so we're talking about x over this. Cosine of B is this over 1. So it's just going to be this. Minus cosine of A is here. It's going to be 1 over that. So 1 over square root of 1 plus x squared. And lastly, sine of B is just x. Okay. So we have 1 over okay, so this is a compounded fraction. So if you just multiply the top and bottom by exactly this, the bottom's fraction will disappear, right? On the top, we'll get this. And on the bottom, if you multiply through by that, this will disappear. Okay? You can pretty much stop here. I'm in a different solution. If I really don't want square roots on the bottom, okay, sometimes you do in calculus, okay, you have to multiply this top and bottom by what's called a conjugate pair.
Oh, it's not limited, right?
Right, so 1 minus x squared plus 1. So you can stop here on this test, but I'm telling you, some calculus problems, you have to do this one more step. Oops, why am I writing that again? Okay, so what you'll get is this. On the bottom you get x, 1 minus x squared minus 1. Okay, I squared that, I get this. I squared the 1, I get this. On the top, I just leave it exactly as it is. The bottom simplifies. You guys see that? It's going to turn into just minus x cubed. Okay, so in a calculus world, this is probably the simplest form. No roots on the bottom.